subscribe my channel.
ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಓರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಓರಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, two things are compared, what are they? Answer, the two things that are compared are sky and heaven. Second question, what is the enchanting sound? Answer, the singing of birds is the enchanting sound. Third question, what is the hobby of the speaker? Answer, sketching is the hobby of the speaker. Fourth question, the speaker says he sits carelessly away because. Answer, option B, he loves nature. Fifth question, the speaker says the world is peaceful and serene. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ.